Main advantages of Ujjwal's Chartless trading method. Time efficiency. Ujjwal's Chartless advantage allows for a more time-efficient trading approach, reducing the need for extensive chart analysis. Just need 5 minutes a day and you are all set. Objective decision-making. By minimizing subjectivity, Ujjwal's method promotes objective decision-making in trading, reducing the risk of misinterpretation. Emotion regulation. Traders following Ujjwal's Chartless daily action plan experience no emotional bias, leading to more rational and disciplined trading decisions. Forget analysis paralysis syndrome. No need to learn or do any kind of analysis. Directly receive Ujjwal's personal daily action plan on your WhatsApp. Your job is just to place the order as per the action plan. Adaptability. This method enables traders to quickly adapt to changing market conditions and unexpected events, enhancing overall flexibility. Risk management. With a focus on money management and timely entries exits, Ujjwal's method supports effective risk management strategies for preserving capital. Long-term trend focus. The method encourages traders to concentrate on identifying and capitalizing on long-term trends, reducing the impact of short-term market noise. Continuous learning. Ujjwal's Chartless advantage promotes ongoing learning and adaptation, keeping traders informed about the latest market trends and developments. Psychological benefits. Traders experience reduced stress and emotional strain, leading to improved decision-making and overall well-being. Innovative method. The Chartless approach allows for stress-free innovative method beyond traditional charting, fostering a more forward-thinking approach. Holistic market understanding. Ujjwal's approach ensures a comprehensive understanding of market dynamics beyond technical indicators. Reduced minus trades. Traders following Ujjwal's Chartless advantage experience reduced minus trades, resulting in more accurate and reliable trading decisions. Global event preparedness. The method equips traders to navigate and capitalize on global events, reducing vulnerability to unexpected market movements. Strategic payout planning. Ujjwal's approach facilitates strategic payout planning, reinvesting part profits and enjoying life's beautiful moments with remaining profits. Reduced dependency on technology. Traders are less vulnerable to technical glitches, connectivity issues, or data inaccuracies, reducing the impact of technological challenges. Location freedom. Trade from home office or anywhere from the world while traveling. No worries at all. Social respect. Gain respect from family members, relatives, and society for becoming a more responsible trader through Chartless trading. Massive growth. Expect massive growth in your trading capital in years to come by sticking to the Chartless method. Exclusive mentorship opportunities. Ujjwal's Chartless advantage offers exclusive mentorship programs, providing traders with direct access to expert guidance for continued success. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the Chartless advantages, then please hit the like button, comment wow and subscribe the channel for more innovative content.